It was in the year 2021 when we had our last church service. Then the havoc has started. Many believers have fallen. The one who taught me faith left cold in my arms. It was the time of death and hopelessness, waiting for somebody to save us. Fear has blurred the days of fulfilling the Great Commission.
As I have breath in my mouth, I will not denounce my faith.
But a little sign of hope seems like trying hard to break because of the few who still stood up. And that even in my darkest time, this encouraged me to forbear.
Call Azariah.
Sir! Code red! Call Hananaya. Sir! Yes, sir! Call Dr. Paul. It's from Azariah. It's code red. Nurse! Code red! Code red!
It's code red!
What?
Code red!
Okay, we need to move faster.
Officer on deck! Assure. The Amadons, also known as the Lucy, Legion of Unified Commission Intelligence, is an Antichrist.
Christians, denounce your faith and be one of us. And together we will rule the world. Don't keep me waiting.
Let's show them who our God is. Let's pray. Abiders, roll out!
Jesus loves me, this I know.
For the Bible tells me so.
Little ones to him belong. They are weak, but he is strong.
Lapi! Lapi!
Azariah, Hananiah. You are 30 seconds away from the perimeter of defense. 3, 2, 1.
The chief leader of a terrorist group, Lucy, was shot dead in the rescue operation.
I did what you told me.
Good job, son.
I was the only one left conquering, for Papa said, we are more than conquerors through Jesus Christ, who loves us and gave himself for us.
Let us welcome our guest speaker.
Before I preach, let me share my short testimony.